What is the difference between SFTP and FTPS? Let's try to understand that. FTP or File Transfer Protocol is a standard network protocol that can be used for transferring files from one host to another. FTP is a widely used protocol, but it was not designed with security in mind. In FTP, all the data transferred between two hosts are transferred unencrypted. Even the username and passwords are transferred unencrypted. So, the protocol is very much vulnerable to sniffing and spoofing attacks. Hence, the FTP protocol is deprecated nowadays for security concerns. SFTP is SSH File Transfer Protocol. This protocol was designed by Internet Engineering Task Force or IETF, and it can be used with SSH version 2.0. SFTP protocol follows a simple request response model. A client sends a request to a server and the server sends a response to the client. The client can request for opening or closing a file or directory, reading or writing a file, retrieving attributes of a file, removing files or directories, etc. FTPS, on the other hand, is an extension of the FTP protocol. It adds support for the SSL TLS cryptographic protocol. In FTPS, a TLS connection is established between two hosts from the beginning of the connection, and all the data transferred between the hosts are transferred in encrypted format. In the case of implicit FTPS, the client sends a TLS client hello message at the beginning of a connection, and if it fails, the connection is dropped. In the case of explicit FTPS, the client is expected to ask for security explicitly. If it fails, it is up to the server to continue in the unsecured mode or drop the connection. In terms of security, both SFTP and FTPS are good, but compatibility may be a big concern for SFTP. I hope this helps. Interested viewers who want to know more can visit the website of the Security Buddy. The relevant links are provided in the description. You can also subscribe to us and get notifications on recent videos.